Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna do the add-ons from the add-on sale for FabFitFun. If you have not seen my FabFitFun box unboxing, I just unboxed that. That video should already be posted. I am doing them separately because I actually have some add-ons this time. You know, it's not a lot of items, but I definitely got some items this time. So we're gonna do it on its own, and I didn't think we were doing a mystery bundle battle, but I did get a mystery bundle. So we're gonna also open up a mystery bundle. I just don't think we're doing a battle because we did something for the edit sale that I still haven't even filmed. Don't tell Catherine. I think she just barely recently filmed hers as well though, so I'm good, we're fine. Moving into this, so this could be a pretty quick video. For item number one, I did get some of my favorite Slimy Eye Gel Masks. Actually, I can open it because I believe one side is see-through, so you can kind of see what they look like. So Black is a charcoal brand, and these have hyaluronic acid and charcoal. So they are also, they look black. And they're very, very slimy. So you do kind of have to lay down or like rest, or, you know, you can't move around and do your dishes and other errands while you're wearing these, but I'm obsessed with these. They're really, really great for your skin. And I like to travel with masks all the time just because the airplane dries out your skin really badly. I'm not one of those people that do it on the plane. I've seen other people do like a full face mask, like facial on the plane. I wear makeup all the time, so it'd be kind of weird. I'd have to go to the bathroom, and nobody wants to go in a plane bathroom, and then wash my face and then go back and then put them on, and like, I don't know. I just do it right when I get to my hotel, and I always have them in my backpack, my travel backpack. So that is item number one from Black. Absolutely love those. If you ever see them in the sale, trust me, they really actually do wonders for your eyes. Like, I feel my eyes, under eye area is so moisturized afterwards. Like the hyaluronic acid that they choose, and I don't even remember what it is, to be honest. So the kind they have is sodium hyaluronate. That one penetrates your skin and actually like helps absorb the moisture inside. So the moisture that's in these is getting absorbed deeper into your skin, and it kind of plumps it up from the inside out. So it's kind of an anti-aging version of hyaluronic acid. Now, the next item I got, I was in Hawaii with my friend Chelsea, and she had like a little conditioner or shampoo, I don't even know, one of them, bottle of Living Proof of this exact type, Restore. I got the repair mask. So it says deeply nourish and reverse damage, and it's silicone free. They are also cruelty free. Like, this is a great brand. I've never actually used this particular product, but I have used their shampoo and conditioner before, and I just happened to be with Chelsea at that time, and I was like, I really love this. I'm gonna grab it in the sale too. So that's what I did. I grabbed it in the sale, and now we have it. And I must have really, really had hair on my mind because I got a second mask. I will say my hair has been super damaged. I recently got it cut and cut all the damage off, so maybe that's why. But Unite is possibly one of my favorite hair care brands, period. They do sell this in a salon, and I've been getting it from my friend who's a hairdresser, but they have the best curl cream. If you need like a really good curly hair girl curl cream, get the one from Unite. It's the best, and it smells so, so good. Okay, so this is their 7 seconds mask, moisture, shine, and protect. Doesn't smell as good as the curl cream, but still has a good scent to it. So now I have a mask for 7 seconds, and I have another repair mask. We're gonna just do all the repair. When you see me again, my hair is gonna just be like melt in your hand soft. You know what I'm saying? I also got some blue light glasses. I really love blue light glasses. They help me so much with migraines. I used to get migraines a lot, and I don't anymore. They also help me go to sleep better because I am always on my phone. I'm always on the computer, like constantly, whether it's editing YouTube videos or working on Goldie Box or whatever it might be. And these were so cute. They're like tortoise, and I just like the shape. I don't know how they're gonna look on me, but not bad, right? They definitely do have a lightweight feel, and I like the style a lot. I like how lightweight they are. Lightweight is important to me too, because another thing that gives me migraines is having anything too tight on my head, like having a headband that's too tight or having glasses that are too tight. And then last but not least, we got a mystery bundle. I have no idea what's in this because it's a mystery. And like I said, I'm not doing a battle this time, so we just get to enjoy doing our mystery bundle without any competition. Will that be good or bad? I don't know, but I see all three things. Like, just looking down, I saw everything, and I like it all. So the first thing I got is from Summer and Rose. That's a FabFitFun in-house brand. Actually, let me give you the number. My number is 2104, MYS011. So if you see that number on your invoice from FabFitFun, it may or may not be the same box. If it's not the same box, sometimes it has a similar item. So we might have one item that's the same, but if we have the same number, sometimes we'll have the exact same box. So some people like to know that number, and I'm in love with this. This is like even the perfect color for me too. Like I said, Summer Rose is a in-house brand. That means that FabFitFun made up the brand. I think it's actually named after one of her children, because Summer and Sienna, right? And it has a little mirror here. Also has all of this for jewelry, for rings. Love this. Literally, this so far to me has already made up the price. Like $29 for my bundle. I would pay $29 for this. It seems really nice. So super happy about that. I can travel with that too, take my jewelry traveling with me. Then I got something from IGK, which is another hair care brand, and it's Beach Club Bouncy Blowout with heat protection. So I am constantly doing stuff to my hair. You rarely see my hair like this in its natural form. Like, this is air dried with a little bit of curl cream in it, but this is super rare. I was just having a lazy day. Normally I'm blow drying it or straightening it with a straightener, or then straightening it with a straightener and then curling it, or curling it with a straightener even, like all the things. So there's a lot of heat on my hair all the time, which is how I damage it. And I have to be careful and do a lot of masks, but I also have to keep a really good heat protectant on it. So I am excited to try a new one. IGK is my favorite dry shampoo. They have a charcoal dry shampoo. That's my favorite dry shampoo. So hopefully I'm gonna find my favorite heat protectant too. So last but not least, because this is also one of my favorite things, are these Invisibobbles. So Invisibobble traceless hair rings. They kind of, like I said before, if something's too tight, I get a headache. So it helps me have a little bit less migraines or headaches from having like a tight ponytail, but it still keeps my hair up in a ponytail. They also supposedly don't leave a mark. On me, I feel like sometimes they do leave a mark. Maybe if I just straightened my hair or something, but sometimes they don't. I don't know what the rhyme or reason is, but a lot of times they don't. So maybe that's how they're made and I just am doing something weird when they do. They do stretch out, but you can put them back to their normal, you know, with a blow dryer. Take a blow dryer. So Catherine also said I think you could put them in hot water, like boiling water or something, and it shrinks them. I don't know, but I usually just use my blow dryer because I'm already in my hair bathroom when I have these out. And if I've stretched it out too much, I like heat it up till it starts to go back to like a more normal, what's the word? I can't think of the word, but you know, shape or size or grippiness. That's not a great word, but something like that. I got it in 2 colors. So clear, crystal clear. They're invisible. Pretty much almost invisible. Like they say Invisibobble. They're not fully invisible. But then we also got Me, Myself, and I, which is kind of like a mauve color, like a pinkish mauve. Not my fave, but I will still use them. And like I said, these are already a favorite. So I think I got a really good mystery bundle. I almost feel like if I would have gone up against Catherine, maybe I would have won. So maybe I should ask her if she got one and then say like, oh, do you want to do a mystery bundle battle? I don't know, you know? I feel like that's cheating because I already know what my bundle is. I would have won. I feel like I would have won. I guess I have to watch her video to know. She always pulls out with something really incredible. But that is it. That is my FabFitFun add-ons. I keep talking and talking. I actually, while I was filming this video, got a text message that my second FabFitFun box was just delivered. So we'll have another FabFitFun unboxing relatively soon when I unbox that box. Maybe next week. Who knows? It's getting harder to film with how many things I have to do for my business and other stuff, and like also I've been traveling. But yeah, that is it. That's our add-ons. I feel like I'm talking a lot. Maybe I'm not so good at doing videos anymore because I am just like such a chatterbox now. I'm gonna have to do so much editing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!